keep this love in a photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans.
Happy birthday, Nanay! We love you! Mwah!
Happy birthday, Nanay!
I love you, Nanay.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Ano pa?
Mag-wish ka kay Nanay.
Nay, more birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay! So, thank you for everything, Nanay. Salamat po sa gabos, Nanay. Happy birthday po. We love you po. Say, love you, Nanay. Love you.
Happy birthday! Love you, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay!
Salamat, Nanay, sa gabos na pagsuporta mo sa mo.
Salamat po sa perming pag-antabay, as in sa perming pagtiwala, sa perming pag-asikaso.
Yan. Ako, ang tigpapasalamat ko man lang, jeans. Nailingin ko yan. Thank you so much, Ma, sa pirming pag-antabay. Love you.
Salamat, Ma, ta permi kayaon sa mo. Salamat sa Diyos sa nagkiko kami inaarog mo na di nakatios na magtios sa iyang akin. Salamat, Ma. Again, happy birthday.
Birthday po yan.
Abi,
Ha?
nasa yung kinanay?
Nanay!
Happy birthday.
Happy you, Nanay!
We love you, Ma.
Love you po.
Happy birthday po, Nanay. Wish you all the best. And stay healthy po.
Love you, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday to
Love you, Nanay.
Nanay! Always love you! Bye-bye! Love you! Happy birthday, Nanay! I love you! I love you, Nanay!
Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday. Oh, Nanay, pagal-pagal ako. Happy birthday, Nanay. Happy birthday.
Kumusta ka mo dyan?
Sana palagi kayong ano dyan sa Pinas.
Malipot po, digdis.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Kamusta dyan sa Pinas?
Garso na yun.
Ayun, eh. Oo. Di ba labir eh?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.